Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's class we will be doing question number 4 from exercise 2.3. Okay, so in our last class we have done till question number 3. So in today's class we will be doing 4 and 5. Okay, so find using distributive property. So you have to find the product by using which property? Distributive property. So in our last class I have already told you what do you mean by distributive. That means we are going to here distribute the numbers. Okay, so let's do it. First of all we will be doing question number A, 728 into 101. So 101, what I'm going to do is, we have already done this type of sums previously also. 101 I'm going to break it in the form of 101. 100 plus 1 makes 101. So now if I open this bracket, this 28 will get multiplied with 100 also. Yes, and then 28 will get multiplied with 1 also. This will be the distributive property. So I'm distributing this number with the both the numbers, right? So this is called an absolute distributive number or distributive property. Now what you'll get when you multiply 728 into 100? You'll get 72800 plus 728. If you know certain properties, right, it will be very helpful in order to get the answer. Okay, sort of a trick. This will be act as a trick. So 728, when you will add 8 to 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 in hand, 2 plus 1 is 3, and it is, the answer is 73,528. So when you multiply this 728 into 101, you'll get 73,528 as a answer. Similarly, we will be doing question number B, 5437 into 1001. So I hope you have understood this. I'm erasing this part. Okay, I want you all to copy with me only, as because when you do so, you will understand what I'm doing. All right, still having a problem, you may rewind the video and check it out where is the problem. Okay, so similar the question is here. What we have to do, of course the easier one should be broken down, right? The number which is in the simple form, that should be converted, that should be broken down. So 5437 into 1001 I'm going to break in the form of 1000 plus 1. Now we will use the distributive property, that is we will multiply this number with this into 1000, and also don't forget to multiply with 1 also, right? So it is 5437 into 1. Now what answer you'll get when you multiply this? You'll get 5437000 plus 5437 into 1 is 5437. Now when you add this, you'll get 5437 000 and 5437. When you add this, you'll get 7, 3 here, 4 here, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 in hand, 3 plus 1 is 4, yes, and 4, 5. The answer is 544247. Yes, it is 54,42,437 is the answer. So I hope this is a clear idea, right? So using the distributive property, you will get the answer. Then let's do the question number C. I hope you have understood this. Kindly copy it. I'm doing question number C now, and the last remaining part, that is number D, okay, will be a home assignment. I hope you are understanding this, right? These things we have already done in the earlier class also. Let's do question number C now. Question number C, okay, C, D is also there. So 824 into 25. Okay, here we don't have 100, here we don't have 1000, right? So here what I'm going to do is, I will break this number 800 plus 24 in the form of 824 into 25. Now here this number, when you multiply, you'll get the answer directly, but I will be doing something extra which you'll like it. Just see, 800 plus, if I break 24 as 25 minus 1, will I be okay? So this, why I'm doing this is because I could have done directly multiplication and then I could have got the answer, but I am breaking 24 into 25 and minus 1 because you will understand we can do in such form also. Okay, in maths you have variety of way of getting the answer, just you need to understand what you are doing. Okay, so I can do this now. I will now multiply this with 1 by 1 each, plus 25 into 25 minus then 25 into 1. So this will I get when I will open the bracket. First of all, 800 into 25, then 25 into 25, then minus, then 20. You have to remember what sign is there. Sign is very important. Okay, all right. Then now when you multiply this 25 into 8, you'll get 8 5 to 40, 4 in hand, 8 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, so it is 20,000 plus 25 into 25. When you multiply, you'll get 625. You can check it out. And minus 25 into 1 is 25. Now what you have to do? Now just see what I meant. It's very simple. 20,000 and 6. When you subtract this 625 minus 25, when you subtract this 625 minus 25, what will be the answer? 20,000 plus 600. Yes, what is the answer? Your answer is 20,600. Very simple, right? You could have directly get the answer. Yes, but I have done little bit lengthier process, which is why this is done to make you people understand. There is a broad way. You have to think it. All right, 24. You have not thought of this. I knew it. To make you people think, I have done this manner. All right. I hope you have understood this. The main thing is to understand. Okay. The main thing is to understand. The main thing is to get the answer, the correct answer, without any problem. Okay, so let's do the question number D now. Sorry, the question number D and E. You people are going to do it yourself, so I will keep this for you people. Number D and E from exercise 2.3, question number 4 is your home assignment. Okay, keep in mind. So let's do question number 5 now. All right, question number 5 state that study the pattern. So this is the pattern given here: 1 2 3 4 5. There are total 5 pattern given to you people in the book. You can see in the question number 5. Just see, the first pattern is 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, right? So I want to write this pattern so that you people will understand it. Now next pattern we have is 1 2 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 98, isn't it? Next pattern we have is 1 2 3 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 987. So most of the student may get confused because of the question, but this is the pattern actually followed. Okay, 1 2 3 4 into 8 plus 4 is equal to 987, then 6. Okay, then we have is 1 2 3 4 5 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 98765. You people must be confused. So what is this number? What is this, sir? I'm not understanding. But this is a pattern which you have to understand. It's very simple. Okay, each step you have to go through and you have to find. They have said that write 2 next step. Now using this pattern, what are the 2 next step that we have to write using this pattern? So just see first pattern. The first pattern is 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, very good. In the next pattern, okay, that is followed here, is they have kept 2. After 1 comes 2, then into 8 plus after 1 followed by 2 is equal to 98. Okay, meaning after 9 they have given 8. Okay, next we have is in the third pattern, just see 1 2 is already there, but they have added 3. After 2 what comes? 1 2 3, then 8 is okay, that is same, but 2 was followed by 3. This is the counting here: 1 2 3 4 5, and then over here also in each pattern 1 2 3 4, then 5 was added. Now using this pattern, and in the product side, you just see after every number the reverse counting has been done. 9, then 98, 987, 9876, then 98765. Yes, if you start counting from the ones position, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is called a reverse counting. Now using this pattern trick, we have to find the answer. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what we have to put? 6. As we are counting, 8 will remain same, plus 6 as this is also counting, is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Then comes is 4. Simple counting, isn't it? Back counting we are doing. Next, as they have said, this is the first answer of the product using the pattern. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Yes, into 8 plus 7, as we have to continue. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. If you want to go on forward, but they have said only to find the 2 answer. Just see, write the next 2 step. They have said only write the next 2 step. We got this next 2 step, but still if you people want to go forward, then what will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8 into 8 plus, it will not be 7, it will be continued as 8. Then here 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Isn't it? This will be the answer. So I hope you have understood this. So this is the simple pattern here used. If you want to continue further, you can go ahead. Okay, so this is what we have done in this. This is what they have asked us to find out using this pattern. So we have got the next 2 step. I hope you have understood this. This is very clear-cut idea. Just use the hint what they have given in the question. Okay, so this is very helpful. Alright, so this much for today. In our next class, we will proceed with the next question. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you, everyone.